Yes, hello everyone. I hope all is well. I welcome you back to my YouTube channel. My name is Asimo Regan once again, and in today's video, we'll be taking you through another Google application known as the Gmail. And most of you are well conversant with Google Mail. Basically, Google Mail is a communication application that can be used to send electronic mails across registered users on the globe. Now we have our Gmail account here, then we have a search box right here. In this search box we can use keywords to search for particular mails that we could be looking for in our inbox. So here we are in our inbox, and then we have categories of different mails here. Primary, those are basically all the mails that are received in your inbox. Then we have promotions, so you can toggle between these emails. Here under primary we have all the emails. Then when I click on promotions, different promotional emails will be brought about. Then we have social emails. All emails coming in from social groups, from social networks will be classified under the social. Then we have here updates coming in from different maybe subscriptions that you could have made will appear here. So that is for the inbox. Then we have the start section. Now in the start section we have that is where we have start emails appearing. So when I come back to my primary and then I start Margaret's email, and then Julius Peter Odeke, then maybe Francis Bryan. So when I go to the start bar, I will be able to find all these emails that have started in the start bar. Yes, then we can look at the sent bar. Now the sent bar has all emails that have been sent, and these emails appear here. All those emails that have been sent appear under the sent bar. Then we have drafts. Now a draft is basically an email that you start composing but you do not finish it up by sending. So any email that you start composing and you do not finish it up, or you do not send, that particular email will appear in the draft box. It will appear in the draft box. Then we have more options here. We have important mails. Then we have see our starred mails also appearing under the important mails. Then scheduled mails, maybe you've scheduled a Google meeting and then you forgot about it. When an email is sent, it will be received within the scheduled bar here. Then here we have all mail. So all mail, it will have all the mails you've received in your inbox. And then spam. Now the spam bar will contain mail coming from unsolicited sources. These are sources that may not be known and may be potential danger. Then we have the bin. So the bin contains all the deleted mails. Maybe you're uninterested in a mail after maybe reading it because you've gotten the information you wanted from it, and you decide to do away with it by deleting it. It will appear in the bin. And then we have labels and then categories. So that is basically it for the different parts of our Gmail. Then for the most important part, that is the compose. So in case we need to send an email, that's we just click on the compose button, and then we have a pop-up box coming up here. Compose, and then we have our click on compose. Then we have our pop-up box coming up here, just like that. Now we have two. Now these two sections, you're going to put the email address of the receiver, the person that you're intending to send that email to. So you send that, you put that email here, and then the subject. This is very important. Most of you come and go right away to the body of the email without putting the subject. This subject is very important because it is like the title of the email, and it is able to tell the receiver that this particular email is coming from such and such a person, and it is basically about this and this, so that the person will be able to know that this is an important email. It is not just a random email. So the subject is very important. Then the recipients. Now under recipients we have carbon copy and then blind carbon copy. Now carbon copy, it allows recipients, it allows all other recipients to view the email sent to a given user. Then blind carbon copy, an email sent to a particular user will only be visible to that particular user. Then we have subject here, and then body. So the body, that is the what the email is about. So under here you put your attachments, you put your text that are you interested in sending to that particular person. Then in case of any attachment, maybe you're sending your coursework, there's a clip pin here, something that looks like a clip pin. So you come and click on it, and in order to attach any file, maybe you have a document you want to attach, you come and click on this thing that looks like a clip pin, and then you browse through your PC and look for that particular document that you want to add. Maybe I want to add MDD recipients, and that document should be able to be uploaded onto my email as an attachment. Then when you're done with everything, you can try to edit, maybe bold, maybe italicize, change the font color, make some different changes. But however, when you're making these changes, try to make sure that you stay as polite as possible, because this is emailing. It is not like WhatsApp. What may seem okay on WhatsApp may not seem okay on emailing. So try to be, when you're sending an email, try to be brief as possible, try to be precise as possible, and making sure that you do not forget to be very polite. So when you're done with all that, you come down right here in the left bottom corner, and then you click the send button, and your email will be automatically sent to the desired receiver. And basically that was it for our Gmail. And I urge you to continue subscribing, continue liking, continue commenting, and stay tuned for our next video about Google Drive. Thank you for watching.